now that I have your attention. Today we are doing an unboxing and demo video of the JFEGWO cordless inflator.
Alright, so you got a little case, carrying case. There's a thank you. Comes with a little instructions, etc. So to turn the unit on, you press the power button for about a second till the lights come on. And it's going to default to 200 psi. That's called free mode. Now with this mode button right here, you could change from psi to bar and to kPa. It also has a few different presets. So if you press this twice, it's flashing. So it's preset at 36 for a car and 35 for a motorcycle and 45 for a bicycle, and 8 pounds for balls like a basketball or so on and so forth. So those are the modes. So it also has a safety light function. If you ever stuck on the highway, it's accessed by this button right here. If you press it once, you get a solid light. You press it again, you get a flashing, like a slow flashing light. If you press it again, you get a quick, like an SOS light. And you press it again, it shuts off. Oh. Let's show you what it comes with. By the way, this is a brand new Huracan Technica. It's the last 9 hybrid Lamborghini. Anyway, so our little gadget here comes with the following: a charging cord. So obviously this is for the tires and to use on if you got soccer balls to fill, basketballs, what have you. And these are just other attachments if you need to fill anything like balloon for the pool or anything like that. Alright, so the current pressure is on the top and the bottom pressure is the setting. So what I'm going to do is bring this down to 33, and that's going to be our pressure. And I'm going to let all the air out of this tire. Still going. So the pressure reading is 0, the setting is 33. So let's see how long it takes to bring it up to 33. 1, 2, 3, quick press. So, as you can see, it got to 33 and it stopped. Okay.
That was actually pretty good. Keep in mind that it was a front tire and the weight of the engine had to be lifted. Now, let's deflate and inflate the Lamborghini tire. Let's see how long it takes to get the pressure from 11 to 35. So, after filling a tire from 0 to 33 with the weight of the engine, and a tire from 11 to 35 without the weight of the engine, the power meter flicked from 3 bars to 2 bars and back to 3 bars. So we can say that it is a solid 2 bars. Plenty of power left over for the other tires. In summary, this is a great, convenient addition to your highway safety tools. For more information, go to jfegwo.com. Thank you for watching. Until next time.